In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a manual journal in Zoho Books, a straightforward task that we can complete in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to sign in to your Zoho Books account. Start by navigating to the sign in page, where you'll click on the Google button if that's your preferred sign in method. Make sure you're using the correct credentials by choosing your account from the list. Remember, it might take some time for the page to load, so it's important to be patient, especially if your internet speed isn't optimal. Once you've successfully logged in and the dashboard has loaded, locate the Accountant tab. This section is key as it's where you'll manage all your financial entries, including manual journals. Click on the Accountant tab to proceed. With the Accountant menu open, your next step is to find and select the Manual Journals option. It's right there on the menu, so go ahead and click on it. After you're in the Manual Journals section, you'll see an option to create new journal. Click here to start recording your manual entry. The first piece of information you'll need to add is the date. Ensure that the date reflects the correct accounting period for your entry by typing it in the designated field. Continue by entering the journal number. This sequential number helps you track and reference past entries easily. If you have any relevant reference numbers, this is the time to input them. Reference numbers can be useful for cross-verifying documents and transactions later on. Following this, add any notes you might have. These notes may serve as internal reminders or offer additional context for the journal entry. Make them as detailed as necessary to benefit anyone who might review this journal in the future. Now it's time to add the accounts involved in this transaction. Enter each account from your chart of accounts that is affected by this journal entry. Once your accounts are entered, determine the debits associated with each. Ensure that every line item reflects the accurate debit amount. Precision here is crucial for balanced books. After you've input the debits, switch gears to add the credits. Like debits, the credit amounts must be exactly correct to maintain the integrity of your financial data. Before wrapping up, remember to check for any attachments you might need to associate with this journal entry. Receipts, invoices, or any other supporting documents can be attached here and can be valuable for future audits or reviews. When everything looks good, finish up by clicking Save and Publish. This action confirms your manual journal entry, updating your financial records in Zoho Books. And that's it, you've successfully posted a manual journal. Simple, right? With this process in your toolkit, you can manage your financial records efficiently in Zoho Books. Thanks for joining me today, and happy bookkeeping.